Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for social science for standard 7, chapter number 18, that is means of communication and advertisement. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, which of the ways to send a message in earlier times is not included? It's option number A, crying loudly. Second, when was the modern postal service started in India? It's option number A, 1854 AD. Third one, by what means can we send important letter in the post? It's option number B, registered AD. Fourth, when was the telegram invented? It's option number D, 1850 AD. Fifth one, between which places was the telegram service started in India? It's option number C, Kolkata and Diamond Harbour. Sixth, which communication medium promotes and disseminates knowledge and information? It's option number D, books. Seventh, which of the following is an audible type of communication medium? It's option number A, radio. Eighth, where are maximum films produced in the world? It's option number C, India. Ninth, which is today's most popular audiovisual medium of communication? It's option number A, television. 10th, which means of communication has become an essential tool for various needs in the present time? It's option number D, mobile phone. 11th, by what means of communication can information about water and mineral resources hidden in the earth's crust be obtained? It's option number A, artificial satellite. 12th, who uses walkie-talkies more? It's option number D, police. 13th, for what must students use mobile phone? It's option number C, communication. 14th, why do sellers come up with fascinating schemes to attract customers? It's option number D, due to competition in business. 15th, by whom does the government convey the idea of public welfare schemes to the people? It's option number A, advertisements. Now we'll continue with question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, in the present time, the world has become smaller in terms time due to the means of communication. Second, postal system was born from sending written messages. Third, the greeting card is used to wish good luck to a friend. Fourth, telegram service was started in India in the year 1850 AD. Fifth, books promote and disseminate knowledge and information. Sixth, radio is an audible type of communication medium. Seventh, radio is an audible means of communication. Eighth, cinema is a popular means of communication for education and entertainment. Ninth, cinema is a popular audiovisual means for entertainment. 10th, artificial satellite is placed in the space. 11th, the artificial satellite is very useful in the defense sector of the country. 12th, artificial satellite is a very useful tool for getting information about the minerals lying in the earth's crust. 13th, vendors come up with fascinating schemes to attract customers. 14th, be cautious of fake or attractive advertisements. 15th, in the democratic nations, means of communication has a lot of freedom. 16th, the government gives people an understanding of whole voting process through advertisements. Now we'll continue with question number 3, that is true or false. First one, sleep is the most important gift a human being has received. It is false. Second, food is a basic human need. It is true. Third, in earlier times, birds and animals were sometimes used to deliver the messages. It is true. Fourth, Rakis can be sent by inland letter. It is false. Fifth, goods can be sent by money order. It is false. Sixth, small messages were delivered from one place to another by telegram. It is true. Seventh, call book currency has increased in the present time. It is false. Eighth, mobile phone is an excellent means of communication. It is true. Ninth, railway tickets can be booked from a mobile phone. It is true. 10th, the artificial satellite is man-made. It is true. 11th, police use walkie-talkie. It is true. 12th, vendors come up with fascinating schemes to attract customers when monsoon comes. It is false. 13th, all the things shown in the advertisement are of good quality. It is false. 14th, in a democratic nation, the means of communication has a freedom. It is false. Now we'll continue with question number 4, that is match the following. First one, audio type means of communication. It is answer is fourth one, radio. Second, audiovisual type of means of communication. Its answer is third one, television. Third, many facilities. Its answer is fifth one, mobile phone. Fourth, freedom of communication media. It's option number 2, democracy. Now we'll continue with question number 5. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, initially which were the means of communication? Initially the means of transportation were the means of communication. Second, what effect has modern communication had on the world? The modern communication system has turned the whole world into a global village. Third one, from what were the postal practices born? The practices were born from sending written messages. Fourth, when was the modern postal service introduced in India? Modern postal service started in 1854 AD in India. Fifth, how is money sent through post office? Money is sent by money order through post office. Sixth, between which places was the telegram service first started in India? The first telegram service in India had started between Kolkata and Diamond Harbour. Seventh, books are a storehouse of what? In what have they succeeded? Books are the storehouse of knowledge. Books have been successful in passing the knowledge, idea, achievements, etc. from generation to another generation. 8. What do books promote and disseminate? Books promote and disseminate knowledge and information. 9. For what do books help students? Books are helpful in obtaining exam oriented information. 10th, what is taught through films? Social and cultural aspects are taught through films. 11th, which facilities does the mobile phone have? Mobile phone has the facilities of a clock, audio video player, torch, calendar, calculator and radio, etc. 12th, which communication media came through technology? The communication media such as television, radio, projector, computer, mobile phone, etc. came through technology. 13th, which event should be discussed the most in the communication media? Drawing attention towards the important topics and focusing on issues like pollution, water problem, poverty, child labor, atrocities against women should be discussed as much as possible. 14th, name any two means of advertisement. Radio, television, magazines, shopping bags, periodicals, newspapers, etc. are means of advertisements. 15th, state two advantages of advertisement. The quality and price of the item can be checked and confirmed. General information of item can be conveyed properly to the person. 16th, which advertisements does the government make for social awareness? Advertisements such as no to child marriage, health, population control, education of daughters, prevention of malnutrition in children, etc. are made by the government for social awareness. 17th, what is meant by means of communication? An elaborate system of sending or receiving information or messages from one place to another is called means of communication. Now we'll continue with question number 6. Answer in brief. First one, state the advantages of TV. Television is used to watch, listen to news, films, serials, educational and religious programs, advertisements, etc. Information on natural disasters like floods, earthquakes, tsunamis can be obtained instantly. The latest news or live broadcasts of various sports are seen and listened. Entertainment can be enjoyed. Second, how would you use the means of communication? Drawing attention towards the important topics and focusing on issues like pollution, water problem, poverty, child labor, atrocities against women should be discussed as much as possible. Sometimes we even see scenes of accusations against one another on television, which has an adverse effect on the society. Videos showing atrocities on women, children, elderly people, or the poor should not be posted on mobile phones. Students must use mobile phones for communication purpose only. Light of mobile phone damages the eyesight too. Third one, why are the means of communication useful in a democracy? The importance of means of communication is increasing to inform the people about the happenings in the country. It can easily communicate or takes information about works done by the government to change the living standard of people. Information about the works being done by the government like education, health, etc. can be obtained through communication. The government also monitors the means of communication. Fourth one, what do we hear on radio? Radio is an audio means of communication. The programs like music, folk songs, film songs, seminars, sports news, drama, weather news, missing persons announcements, hymns, and stories are heard on radio. In addition to this, information about disasters such as rain, floods, and cyclones is given. Radio facility is also available in mobile phones. Fifth one, how should students use mobile phones? Students must use mobile phones for communication purpose only. Use of mobile game and internet should be less and prudent. Light of mobile phone damages the eyesight. Mobile phone has an adverse effect on time and education, so its use should be minimized. Now we'll continue with question number 7. Write a short note. First one, facilities available in mobile phone. At present, the mobile phone is one of the most important means of communication. One person can communicate to another person through the mobile phone from one place to another. Mobile phone has the facilities of a clock, audio video player, torch, calendar, calculator and radio, etc. With its help, we can book railway, bus, cinema tickets. We can get a lot of information from the internet used in a mobile phone. Mobile phone has become an essential tool for various needs in the present time. Second one, use of artificial satellite. Artificial satellite is very useful as a means of communication. Artificial satellite is man-made. It is placed in the space. Daily news and weather information can be accessed through this satellite on various devices such as televisions, computers and mobile phones. The information of water and mineral resources hidden in the earth's crust can also be obtained through it. We can know the distance and the way from our home to another place. The artificial satellite is very useful in the defense sector of the country. Third one, disadvantages of advertisement. Write 3 points. Advertisements cost a lot of money and consumer had to bear the burden. It may also happen that the advertiser is not using the item what he is promoting for. We are sometimes deceived in shopping based on advertisement. Sometimes we feel guilty when we see an advertisement on TV because we cannot buy everything for ourselves, children and elderly people as they are unaffordable. Trend of imitating each other increases. And here we come to the end of chapter number 18, that is means of communication and advertisement. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.